What's up, guys? Model Airport Nation here, and today I'm back with another awesome unboxing. Today I have actually my largest unboxing yet to date, and this is from JH Wings, so go check them out. They are a retailer of JC Wings, Gemini Jets models, and NG models. And may have forgot a couple other ones, but go check them out, guys. Link in the description here. So without further ado, guys, let's get right into this unboxing here. This box is packed full of models here, as you guys can see. Check it out. Really cool. Let's take a look here. So for our first model, we have a Hawaiian Airlines 717. New release here. Let's go check it out here. And then we also have a Southwest 737-700 here. Number 2. Another Southwest 737. We're trying to fill up our LAX terminal here, so we may be able to get into the we may be getting into the Australia market here soon, guys. So stay tuned. We have the Qantas A220, a special livery here. Really glad I secured this one. Next up, we have a Hawaiian A321neo, because the only Hawaiian A321neo I have, I think like something's wrong with like the engine fell off or something, and it's just never like balanced the same sense. So here we go. Ooh, let's go to this one. So we got some NG models, guys. We have the United, the Future 737 here. Super cool. That's going to be on my LAX. Allegiant 737 Max here. Next up, we got a Southwest 737-800. Next up, we have a United Aviate 737 Max. Really cool. You got to just secure all these planes, guys, because there's so many different ones. We have a Virgin Atlantic A330-900 Neo. The special, looks like the 40th anniversary livery sticker. So that's cool. That's definitely going to be flying into LAX and, of course, JFK, guys. This stack's going to fall over, guys. We got to set this one down over here. And then we got the... Next up, we have Aeromexico 737-800. Brand new livery here, guys. Might have to get 2 of those. Then we have an Aeromexico ERJ 190. That'll go good for lots of different routes here in the United States of America. Next up, we have a highly anticipated United 737, or sorry, not 737, 767-300ER, guys. In the Star Alliance livery. So many 737s here today. 767 here, guys. One of my favorite airplanes. Check it out. 2025 release here from Gemini Jets models, guys. Let's see here. Next up, we have another Hawaiian 717. Got to secure those, guys, for the Hawaii airports. We finally have Gemini Jets doing another remake of the Hawaiian A330-200s here, guys. Went ahead and secured 2 of these, as you guys can see right here. We'll be doing a video, more close-ups of each of these airplanes and boxes in the near future, guys, so just stay tuned for that. Just a lot of airplanes, as you guys can see, to take all this wrapping off at this point in time. So you guys can see, here is the Hawaiian A330-200 again. And then we have a Star Alliance United 737-800 right here by Gemini Jets models. So that's going to blow nice here. We got some solid United aircraft today, guys, for the fleet. And 2 good ones for the last year, guys. You know what? I will go ahead and we'll take the wrapper off these ones. How about, just so you guys can see the last 2 here. All right, guys. We got the Star Alliance Thai A350-900, guys. I can't pronounce airplanes today. The Star Alliance A350-900 Thai Airways here from NG models. I do have a Bangkok International Airport here. I have the layout. I have the backdrop. Tarmac Designs is currently making me the terminal. So, surely but slow but easy here. It's coming. So, I'd rather have it have more details and done right than we have it be rushed. So, stay tuned for that, guys. We're slowly getting our Thai aircraft here. All right, guys, last up, we have our Emirates A380-800 here. And this aircraft is in the NBA livery. Get this wrapper off here. JH did a great job wrapping these. And here you guys go. The beautiful A380-800. There's so many Emirates airplanes at this point. I feel like I have to just get the newer ones that come out because they have the newer tail design. So I'll probably just collect all of those going forth because I know there's so many past A380s that you could get too and put on the airport. But I guess I missed out on the orange, green, and blue ones at the point in time when they did come out. And just at the point in time, I was just like, I just wasn't able to get them at the time. And yeah, I thought about it a lot. And, you know, at this point in time, to make an airport more realistic, I'm just going to get the new ones that come out here to build my Emirates A380 fleet, if you'll call it that way. So stay tuned for that, guys. So yeah, whopping. Let's see, what do we got here today? All right, guys, and here you have it. A whopping 19 model unboxing here today. I feel like we need more A380s, but you know what? We'll get there slowly but surely here, guys. Over here at Model Airport Nation here, we're revamping the collection here, and we're adding to it. So we'll have nice new modern aircraft to put on all of my different airports from around the world, guys. So stay tuned for that. Close details of each airport coming soon. I guess to give you guys kind of like a timeline here, what's going on here. Just doing a bunch of model reviews right now and unboxings. We got to get through all these here. I do have my terminal, the other part of Terminal 4 that had a ride from Tarmac Designs, Indiana for JFK Terminal 4. So I do have to roll that out and put that on there too and make a video for you guys. But right now, before we do that, I'm finishing up my LAX here. So what we're going to do is we're going to set LAX up here with the new Southwest, some of the new Delta. And what we're going to do with that is we're going to do an LAX video and stuff, basically. And then do some more model reviews. And then we'll get JFK up and running. So that's kind of the plan right now. In the meantime, we have MSP being worked on right now, the terminal itself, the entire terminal to be exact. And then we have Terminal 1 Lindbergh. And Layover Layouts is doing some other work right now. They're going to come back and either finish H and L for me that we already have half done for the layout, or we're going to do MSP. So stay tuned for that, guys. A lot is in the works right now, believe it or not. So been quietly having all these amazing creators doing work for me right now, and they're getting all these projects done. So a lot behind the scenes that you guys really haven't seen yet. So it seemed like it's been kind of slow lately, but you know it is going quick. So stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be like, whoa, you know, you got 3 new airport terminals. Yes, we do coming. So stay tuned. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing today from JH Wings. Go check them out. Link in the bio to everybody here, but most importantly, on this unboxing today, we have JH Wings today. So thank you. Shout out to NG Models, Gemini Jets, JC Wings, everybody here. I believe this today is just Gemini Jets and NG, which is absolutely amazing as well. So there we go, guys. Again, link in bio, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, guys, happy collecting. Instagram, TikTok, and of course right here on YouTube, guys, at Model Airport Nation. Thank you, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. And also stay tuned for more details on unboxings of each of these airplanes and videos. So stay tuned, guys. Happy collecting.